Hi, it's Lynn from Lynn C Designs, and today I'm just coming on to show you a very easy Valentine's card. I'm going to change up the colours, but this is one of the cards that I made at class this week, or I designed for class last week. This is Dapper Denim, and today I'm going to do it in using Whisper White and Calypso Coral. So it's very simple, just is it monochromatic? I'm not very good with the words, but there we are. I've used the lovely new set in the Occasions catalogue, Heart Happiness, for the stamped images, and the sentiments I'm using from one of my new favourites, which is Petal Palette, and again that's from the new Occasions catalogue. The hearts in the Heart Happiness, two of them I've cut out using the Sweet and Sassy framelit dies, which I think are lovely, and they cut out those. The only one it doesn't cut out is this stripy one here, these sort of oblong ones, and there is a new dies, framelit dies, that will cut those out in the new catalogue. So let me just stop waffling and I'll get on with it. I'm going to use a foam, the stamping foam mat, which, because the stamps from the Heart Happiness set are a photopolymer. So we'll get the stamping done straight away. Just put my sample card up so I know what I'm doing. The base is half a sheet of A4 scored in the middle, top folding card. I've got a scrap of Calypso Coral. I've got 2 sheets of Whisper White, one for the inside, one for the outside for stamping, and they are cut at 1/2 centimetre shorter on 2 sides, so that there's, when they're put on, there's a nice little border around the edge. And then I've got a scrap for the sentiment and the hearts. So let me get to the stamping straight away. Open Calypso Coral pad, and we'll use this beautiful floral stamp. I'm just going to stamp that slightly off centre. A little pressure, and that's just beautiful. This image is just beautiful. I will clean that off later. That's all that goes on there. On my scrap of paper, I'm going to stamp that one. Again, give it a little bit of pressure so you get a lovely clear image. Put that to one side. And again with that, I'm just going to turn that upside down to save as much paper as I can. I was telling my ladies at class that I'm quite a frugal, yes, I'm quite a frugal crafter. Where I can, I try and save, or wastage anyway. I'm going to check that I've got that the right way up, which I have. And I'm going to stamp that down on there. Lovely. And then on the bit that I'm going to put on the inside, so that says I just love you, and this one, stick in the middle there, which is life is so much better with you in it, which is absolutely lovely, I think, for a Valentine's card. And then I'm just going to stick a row of little hearts down there. Lovely. And then I thought I might do the same thing on the envelope. I'd like to try and do some stamping on the envelope. Normally I would get my head, but I'm trying very hard not to get my head in the camera. Let's put that there. Fantastic. So that is all the stamping. I'm going to get some ink. Let's see if I've got... I'm trying to be frugal on my glue as well, and show you that you don't actually need, this glue is so strong you don't actually need an awful lot. So let's make sure it's the right way up to go on the inside. Lovely. Let's get that out of the way, we don't need that now. I'm going to use my bone folder, make sure that that lays flat. I put this layer on as well. I thought it would be quite nice. I mean, actually I like these as, I designed this as a Valentine's card. I can say it's for my husband, the blue one, because he doesn't watch my channel, so he won't know. So that's there. I'm going to run these two through the die cut. By magic. So I'm going to pop those up on dimensionals. Oh. One just needs a couple. I could actually have used. Oh, could actually have used the very tiny dimensionals. They might have been better. Don't really need three big dimensionals, but they're not to hand. So actually, I'm going to put this time. I'm going to put the smaller one up there and the bigger one down there. And then I am just going to, let's have a look. Cut out this by hand. Could use the trimmer, but I'm trying to be a bit braver these days. And then I want to have, I quite like, a little bit cut out there. Let's just cut that off. Do it that way around. Stick that down there. Oh, slide it away. There's just a little bit across the top there, which I'll get my snips and just cut that away from the back. There we are. And with a sweet little envelope to match. I think it's quite nice to do non-traditional colours. Anyway, very quick one from me today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe so that you don't miss any more of my videos, and I am trying to get a bit more regular. So thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.